You're not happy with your attorney. Something's not right. And now you want to know, can you go hire a second attorney? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is yes, you can fire your first attorney. Now, in cases involving medical malpractice, accident cases, and wrongful death cases, this is the procedure, this is what happens. For some reason, you're not communicating well with your attorney. There seems to be some type of disagreement. Maybe there's a strategy difference between what you want to do and what the attorney does. Maybe there's a lack of communication. There could be lots of reasons about why you're angry, you're frustrated, you're not getting information and answers that you need. Now you decide to look for a second attorney. Here are two things that the second attorney will want to know. The first, they'll want to know, what's the problem with the first attorney? Is there a communications problem? Is there a strategy difference? Is there something else going on? Second, the attorney will want to know, what has the first lawyer done up until now? Have they done a thorough investigation? Have they started a lawsuit? Have they gone ahead and taken depositions? This will give the second attorney a clear understanding of how much work the first attorney has done, how much legal work the first attorney has done. And why does that matter? It matters because if you now choose to go to a new attorney, which you could do at any time, the first attorney will have what's known as a lien for the amount of work that he did on the case up until the time that attorney number two takes over. Now, what does that really mean for you? It means that there's only one lawyer's fee in the case. In a medical malpractice case, there's only one lawyer's fee. In an accident case, in a wrongful death case, there's only one lawyer's fee. So now, if you are successful in your case, whether by settlement or a verdict, out of that one attorney's fee, now attorney number one and attorney number two have to determine amongst themselves how to allocate that attorney's fee. And sometimes the attorneys cannot reach an agreement about what percentage each attorney is entitled to. In that instance, they will then take their issue to the court and now bring it before the judge who's in charge of the case and now ask the judge to resolve that dispute. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what you can do if you're not happy, if you're dissatisfied with your current attorney, and now you're deciding whether or not to hire a second attorney. And as always, if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.